In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix payout method not updating on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If your payout method is not updating on Gumroad, this can delay your payments and prevent you from receiving earnings properly. Usually, this problem happens because of incorrect payout details, incomplete verification, browser issues, or regional restrictions. Now, if you want to fix payout method not updating on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Gumroad account and going to your account settings. Next, double check your bank account or PayPal details carefully. Make sure there are no typos, extra spaces, incorrect routing numbers, or wrong PayPal email addresses, because even small mistakes can stop the payout method from saving. After that, complete your identity verification. If your account verification is incomplete, Gumroad may block payout updates until verification is finished. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies and try again. Sometimes the form does not save because of browser issues, so you can also try using incognito mode or switching to another browser. Now, check whether your payout method is supported in your country or region. Some payout methods have regional restrictions, so make sure the payment option you are using is available in your location. After that, disable any VPN service you are using. Security systems may block payout updates if your IP location does not match your account country information. Then, try updating the payout method again in a clean browser session. Usually, this problem happens because of incorrect payout information, incomplete account verification, browser conflicts, or country restrictions. Carefully reviewing these settings normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By checking your payout information properly and updating your account settings carefully, you can fix Gumroad payout method update issues and receive your earnings without problems.